welcome to Nene Math. It's me, Nene, and today we are going to start lesson 1.2 ratios. So let's get started. Mara made a survey to see how many people prefer math over English. The survey showed that every 6 out of 8 people prefer math over English. If 48 people were surveyed, how many people enjoy English? So what I am going to do is I am going to use equivalent fractions to solve the problem. So the ratio given right now is 6 out of 8 people that prefer math, but we want to solve the English, so I wouldn't really want to waste my time finding out how many people like math. So I am going to use 2 out of 8, since 8 represents our total. 6 is the part for math, so 2 is the other part for English. So I am going to write E over total, which is English over the total 8. So I know that the total of amount of people that were surveyed was 48. So that's why I'm going to put it for our denominator, since 48 is a total is the denominator. So now what we have to do is we have to multiply 8 by 6, since I know 8 times 6 is 48. So whatever you do to the bottom, you have to do to the top. So 2 times 6 equals 12. So that's our final answer for our first problem. 12 people enjoy English. Okay, let's move on to our next problem. Mara's recipe for miso soup calls for a ratio of 4 cups of fresh tofu to 3 cups of expired mushrooms. If you use 7 cups of fresh tofu, how many cups of expired mushrooms will you use? Okay, so we want to find out how many cups of expired mushrooms we need. So I'm going to do cups of tofu over mushrooms, since that's the ratio given. We don't not want to find out total or anything, so that's why I'm going to do 4 over 3, just part over part. So we know that the amount of tofu we have is 7, so that's going to be our numerator, since tofu's on top. But the thing is, we don't know how many expired mushrooms we will use. So now the thing is, we do not know what 4 times what equals 7. We do not know what this answer is going to be. So what we're going to do is we are going to multiply by a fraction. And we are going to take these two numbers, and we are going to find the reciprocal of that, which is basically swapping the numerator and denominator, which is 7/4. So that's what we're going to do. We are going to multiply it by 7/4 to get 7. So whatever we do to the bottom, we have to do to the top. We have to multiply by the reciprocal of the two numerators. So we have to do 3 times 7/4, and I'm going to solve that. That's 3 over 1 times 7 over 4. I get 21 over 4. And we know that 4 goes into 21 5 times. So that's our whole number, and we have 1/4 left. So our answer will be 5 1/4 cups of expired mushrooms. We should try that recipe someday. Well, anyways, guys, I hope you enjoyed this video and understood the video. Thanks for watching. Bye!